The reward apps with the most consistent payouts are usually the ones that use clear earning rules, established redemption systems, and multiple ways to collect rewards instead of depending on a single feature. By the end, you'll know 5 reward apps that continue to be widely used in 2026, and what makes each one a reliable choice for long-term use. The first app is Swagbucks. Swagbucks gives users several earning options, including surveys, shopping cashback, promotional offers, games, and eligible online activities. Because rewards come from multiple categories, you can continue earning even when one section has fewer available opportunities. The second app is Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is built around earning points from eligible shopping receipts. After buying qualifying products, upload your receipt through the app to receive points according to the current offers. Since grocery shopping is already part of most people's routine, using the app doesn't require changing your daily habits. The third app is Ibotta. Ibotta rewards eligible purchases with cashback data. The process is straightforward. Activate offers before shopping, buy qualifying products, then submit your receipt or use supported retailer account linking when available. Checking available offers before entering the store helps avoid missing eligible rewards. Now let's look at 2 more strong options. The fourth app is Shopkick. Shopkick rewards qualifying shopping activities, including participating retailers, eligible purchases, and selected in-store interactions. Its different earning methods make it useful whether you're shopping online or visiting stores. The fifth app is Google Opinion Rewards. Google Opinion Rewards sends short surveys to eligible users and adds rewards after completed responses. Surveys usually require only a few moments, making them easy to fit into your day. No reward app can guarantee that every redemption request will always be approved. Following the published rules is what gives you the best chance of receiving rewards without delays. Keep your account information accurate, upload receipts promptly, complete offers before they expire, and review your reward history regularly. If something doesn't track correctly, contact customer support while the transaction details are still available. The biggest takeaway is that Swagbucks offers the widest variety of earning methods. Fetch Rewards and Ibotta work well for everyday shopping. Shopkick adds additional shopping opportunities, and Google Opinion Rewards provides simple survey-based rewards. Each app works best when you use it for the activities it was designed to reward. Your next step is to install one app that matches your daily routine, complete a few eligible activities, and verify that your rewards track correctly before adding more platforms. If this guide helped you find reward apps with dependable earning systems, like the video and subscribe for more reward app reviews, tutorials, and weekly updates.